Temple&Webster is currently having an autumn sale. We will unbox a Maya silent alarm clock by brand 168 London. The retail price for this clock on other retailers is $49, however, Temple&Webster is offering it for $39. You can gain a further 10% discount at the checkout. The display for this clock is analog and it comes with 5 years warranty. The clock comes in 2 color options. First one is white and gold and the second one is gray and gold. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.